You know what are these? Himare make new earrings.
We climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a flight, and that's all we'll ever like. But that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Right now I'm heading off to Oxbridge. I'm going to meet Eldon first, and from there we're going to head off to Oxbridge. Like always, I'm going to be early and he's going to be late.
Not right there.
See who is late.
I had some work, that is why I was late. But she, as always, is late. That's what I late.
Really? You really want to say like that? They have seen, I showed you're not around.
No.
I showed you coming as well.
Yeah, but I was somewhere around here. She told me that she'll be late.
Can't say? Swear on me and say? You can't lie on that. Say on me and say?
I swear on you that somebody was late, but I
So now you don't know who was late in this.
Achha, by the way, you like my jacket? How is it? Comment down below if my jacket is good, okay?
I really like it.
If it's not good, I don't care, bro.
Easy, I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. Yeah. When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like. When it hurts like this.
We are here for shopping.
Yeah, she only comes here for shopping.
You will see now who's doing the shopping, okay?
Yeah.
Someone said यहाँ come for shopping, but super Saturday.
When it hurts like this, we hold each other high, but we fall 1,000 times. But I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way.
He's upset because he did not find anything up in Primark. Got shopping again.
No, I like the texture.
Yeah.
I like this texture.
In Oxbridge Poundland, they have clothes section where you can come and have a look.
So I have bought this one to put Bushu in this one and sit on this. So this is going to hold a lot of weight.
We got this for £2. Yeah,
I got
£2.
this for £2. And I saw something. This is for my dog Pandey. Yeah, Pandey, if you're watching my vlogs, I will get you this. Don't worry, when I come back to Goa, for you to munch, you know.
When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like. When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like.
For me, babe, for me, babe, you have two. One for me, babe. One for me. No. Oh, it's really good. One more.
Now you took to bite now, and I also want to bite from yours.
Look at her. What happened, Baba? आता वॉर्डला घासवाला सगळे गेले सगळ.
Guys who think that I don't share my food, right? Look. Excuse me.
What?
I also want a bite. I gave you no 2 bites.
It's not good to ask for food when somebody's eating it.
You saw?
खबर ना डोनट में डाउन चल्या इतू आड़ घास मात दसो अदो सो मालो चिरमुलेशी एंड आको डोनट आइला
Forget about Oxbridge, forget about Staines. Ultimately, now we are going Hounslow High Street. There's a smile on his face. कोण तुम्हाला Hounslow आटा?
We are back in Hounslow. तेन कोण तुका लागले आणि हांव इंग्लिशीन उलयता Hounslow एल्या आमी बारीकशी शॉपिंग करपाक आफ्टर दैट शी इज नॉट टेलिंग यू द नेक्स्ट प्लान शी इज कीपिंग यू एज अ सरप्राइज
Because you know why I'm keeping it as a surprise? Because the weather doesn't seem that okay. It doesn't seem that good. It's unpredictable at the moment. And this guy's mood is also like the UK weather. It's unpredictable. Okay? So I know after this shopping, when we go home, we'll be like, you really want to go today? We are going tomorrow, no? Why you want to go today? He's unpredictable, I'm telling you. Guys, shopping in Primark is very affordable, it's very reasonable, and it's very nice. You get good options and good choices. Like for example, you see this guy, he got a whole suit.
Yeah.
For how much you spend on
Like
that?
17 plus 7, 24, like around 34 pounds.
34 pounds, right? For a whole suit, for a
With
whole
the tie and everything.
for the whole set.
For the whole set, 34. It's like around.
So for example, like if you're buying a shirt with a tie on, it's around 7 pounds.
Yeah.
So it's like around 7 pounds. But if you're buying the shirt separately and the tie separately, it's coming up to nearly 10 pounds,
Yeah.
9-10 pounds. Then you have also choices. Each shirt is around 5 pounds, which is really nice. Pants are around 10 pounds,
Do you want something for
6
yourself?
10 pounds. No, I don't want
Do you
anything.
want something?
They have really good prices. Like for example,
Yeah, just for 2 pounds, no?
reduction sale. And this actually fits him also.
Yeah. I look sexy, but she doesn't want me to look sexy.
I never said not to wear it. I said wear it.
I don't want it.
Guys, if you all want to buy some pants and all, they are like for 2 pounds, 1 pound, stuff like that, on a reduction sale. So do come and check it out in Primark. Look at me. He was like, take this, it look nice on you, it look nice on you. But no, doesn't listen to me when I say.
And it looks good on you.
See. ठाकुर ये हाथ मुझे दे दे ठाकुर.
It looks good.
Yeah, right. So guys, as I have told you that I have a chalta firta UK weather with me, and this is the reason why I was not telling where I'm planning of going. Let's see. Babe.
You are much busy.
Guys, yesterday, like I told you, his mood is like the UK weather. That's the reason I was not telling where I'll be going towards the end of the vlog. So this is the second day. Not second day, the next day. This is the next day.
I'm fresh. Everybody's fresh. And we have a new person in the vlog.
Hi guys!
Say something in your Konkani accent.
Koshya Satumi. Oh, that's so stupid. I think we should speak in Konkani Saturday. No?
Yeah.
The whole entire vlog we should talk in Konkani.
It's gonna be fun.
Like you guys can talk in Konkani, I'll talk in English.
Kingston in Konkani.
How does that work?
Yeah.
That's not fair.
No, I'm okay.
Yeah, I'm fine with it too, but you have to talk Konkani as well.
Yeah.
We climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's how we'll
We're going to get bubble tea,
which I've never tried before.
Bushy has never tried it before. It's going to be a first time.
Oh my goodness. Eldon and she likes bubble tea. I've never tried it before.
Which you need a smack in the face for never trying it before. Who doesn't try bubble tea?
But I love sushi, no?
Okay, that doesn't make up for
Gives
not
me a
trying
point, no?
bubble tea.
Gives me a pointer.
Exactly.
He does not like sushi.
So?
Oh, you know,
don't
the
like
thing
sushi.
is, whatever I don't like or I'm not against, I should get a smack for it. But for him, right? So? It's okay.
Each other high, but we fall 1,000 times. But I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. Yeah. When it hurts like this, ever like,
We are feeling hungry and Sipan are making up their mind of where they want to go in.
We already gave an option.
They said McD.
Okay, then
And
you
I'm
said
not
you
in the
don't
mood of
want it.
McD.
So then we asked you, what do you want? And then,
Choose another option.
yeah.
Still not able to figure it out.
Yeah, exactly. So that's your problem. That's not my problem. Or our problem.
These people have ganged up against me. These both.
No.
No.
What did you call that shop? Come here, tell me. What did he say?
Only he can say it.
Say it. What did he say?
I had covered under.
What did you say, babe?
Chapada
Oh my god. Finally, we are making our way through.
we climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like. But that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing.
These people are exchanging Snapchat IDs.
See that? My best friend.
Have it another way. There's no other way. Yeah. When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like. When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, when it hurts like this, we hold each other high, but we fall 1,000 times.
We were just doing it randomly, no?
The people, traditional food.
So your day out with us, how was it?
It was Gucci.
Yeah, after taking my case.
About that. What?
No. This was just like a purchase, but it would be good. I mean, if you go out like for which park is that?
Topa. Yes, I'm dragging you in the
Yeah,
ride.
I'm gonna wrap like Tupac and Topa.
Say that name of that place again. You know, that place that you're going to take us to eat.
Topa.
No,
Uh,
that one.
I forgot the name. I forgot how you pronounce it. It's there on the vlog.
Wait. Rewind back to the moment.
Chapada.
I had covered under.
Oh, for that one. Ah.
So on my way back to Kingston, I slept and now I'm feeling a little lazy to do anything. I've got 3 important things to be done. First is prepare for tomorrow. that is my lunch and everything. Second thing I need to do is reorganize my room. So things are little bit messed out, not much. I did half the organization yesterday. So for now, I need to reorganize my room. And the third thing is, I need to do my laundry. I didn't get time for the whole 2 weeks to do my laundry, so I decided I would do it now. Food for tomorrow, check. Dried clothes removed, check. Clothes washed, check.
सो नॉर्मली ब्लॉग बुशू एंड करताले बट एक्चुअली अशें केलें एंडींग मातशें आज हांव दितां आनी आतां न्यू हेअरकट मारला आनी फ्रेश दिसता. सो बगर गेले आनी हांव आतां घरा येता. इफ तुमकां बुशूचे ब्लॉग जरी तर बरो लागताय जाल्यार प्लीज ताका सबस्क्रायब कराय, कमेंट कराय, लायक कराय तेगे ब्लॉगाक आनी ताका मोग दाखय. टिल देन मेळया.